Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, like I said before in the previous video, we're going to be taking off the BBS and going with the Aodhans AH02s. I think that's what they are. So let's get these wheels on the car. And also, I'm going to be replacing the MAF sensor on this car. I had to buy an anti-tamper tool to replace the MAF sensor. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, boys. like that, we pop the new one in, and it should just pop right in, O-ring and all. Bada bing. Don't you dare fall off into the engine, into the abyss. Don't you dare fall off into the abyss. Okay, let's plug this back in. Just like that. There's one more thing that I want to talk about on this video before I close it out. Alright, so to remove the mass airflow sensor, you need this anti-tamper tool, which if you look closely, it has like a little hole in it. It's a Torx, but it has like a hole in it. And like if you go use a regular Torx, you think you can remove it, but you really can't. You need this anti-tamper Torx. But the wheels are on. They're looking flush. If you look in the front, they poke out 5 tires. So a little bit more width will be pretty flush to just seal the deal. But in the rear, you can use about what, 5mm spacer or something like that. It's just gonna be clean. Guys, that's it. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Fire.